How is that possible? That is an ugly fit. Oh! Don't touch it. Oh my goodness. Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be reacting to a video from the channel Hollows. The video we're going to be reacting to today is called 1 in a Billion Moments in Nature number 6. Also, I should say, I have a co-host in this episode called The Fly. You'll probably be seeing him.
Hello everyone.
And see.
Whoa.
What? Oh, what? I got this.
During a solar eclipse, the gaps between leaves
That
on
was
a tree
beautiful.
act as pinhole cameras, projecting rotating crescent-shaped images of the eclipsed sun onto the ground.
I don't know. It could be. It's strange.
It's crazy.
I've seen it before.
I remember seeing this when it happened. How is that possible? Huh?
Here
Hold
is an
up.
ultra-rare and incredibly cute albino seal cub that was spotted on an island off the coast of Russia.
Aww. He done for. That is crazy. I remember we saw this in a different video. Somebody was filming at a truck stop. It's got to be the same one. It looked the exact same.
Occasionally,
Crazy.
a wonderful phenomenon occurs where snow settles on some of the world's hottest deserts. Sometimes the opposite
What, did the wind blow it on top of the snow or something? It was like upside down.
happens, and sandstorms drift thousands of miles and lightly coat the snowiest of mountains with a thin layer of sand.
Sometimes I just gotta shut up and listen, huh?
Here's your whirlpool right here.
Nope. Get away.
Piece of wood right here into it. We'll
Get away from it. He plugs the leak. Oh, he gone. Oh my God.
Here is incredible footage of gigantic oceanic manta rays.
It's some kind of sucker fish on his back. Oh my goodness. There's a reason I don't play with water.
Oh my God.
How beautiful though.
I thought it was over there, but it's the wrong way up.
I think it's like a storm drain or something. Yeah.
These days, it seems that even ants are hoarding gold.
Hey, give me that. It's got to be something with the electricity, I believe. Like, I think gold conducts electricity really well, so they can probably feel the vibrations or something. I don't know. That's pretty crazy. Sure is moving quick.
A solitary cloud drifts across an endless sky.
Jesus.
That is an ugly fit. Oh! Don't touch it. I would have wrote my name. Ew. Jesus. Oh. Hey, the ditch is down there. Is that lava? Surely it's mud, right? Oh my goodness. What a disaster. This is like water tornadoes, like, aren't they called spouts or something like that?
Crown flashes are a rare meteorological phenomenon where peculiar beams or arcs of light appear to dance over snowstorms due to light being refracted by ice
What?
crystals in the atmosphere.
Oh my goodness. What?
Here is a truly
I think they filmed that last one with a Nokia brick phone.
incredible capture of nature as a tornado touches down in the mountains of Montana.
I remember this. That's beautiful.
It's hard to beat the library.
Right?
Especially when you have to keep your eye on
That
one.
I've never seen before.
Square waves, or cross waves, are an uncommon
Whoa.
ocean phenomenon that occur when two opposing swells collide. As gentle and intriguing as they may seem, they can be quite dangerous and
Wow.
potentially pull you out to sea.
I love that. That's really cool. Y'all are way too close to that giant thing.
Но выглядит прикольно.
Wow. It's like dancing.
Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon.
All right, guys, short one today, but I hope you enjoyed it. I will be putting this in the compilation playlist, so if you have a little more time, maybe go check out some of those videos. Or you can come back tomorrow because we'll be watching something else. See you then.